Hello and welcome you all. In the last video, we learned about the basic introduction and representation of matrices. Now in this video, we will be doing types of matrices. So our first type is row matrix. So a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. For example, 2, 5, minus 4. Here order of matrix is 1 cross 3. Now second type is column matrix. So a matrix having one column is called column matrix. As our example says 0, 1, minus 2. Here order of matrix is 3 cross 1. Now third type is student square matrix, in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then a matrix is called square matrix. For example, suppose a matrix 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here order of matrix is 2 cross 2. Now our fourth type is diagonal matrix. This is also a type of square matrix, in which all the elements except those in the diagonal are 0. For example, student, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Here Aij equal to 0 for all I not equal to 0. So our fifth type is scalar matrix. Student, it is a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. For example, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4. Here all the diagonals are same, which is equal to 4. Now sixth type is identity or unit matrix, in which diagonal elements of matrix is unity, means 1. So the identity matrix of any order n can be denoted by in. Let's suppose a matrix of 2 by 2 order, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is identity matrix of 2 by 2 order. Similarly, student, there is another example in which we have identity matrix of 3 cross 3 order, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now next type is zero matrix or null matrix. So a matrix in which each of its element is 0. For example, a 2 by 2 order matrix in which all the elements are 0. Now next is what is horizontal matrix. Student, a m cross n order matrix is said to be horizontal, where m is always less than n. Here m is number of rows and n is number of columns. Let's say in our example, number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. So here number of columns are more than number of rows. Therefore it is horizontal matrix. Now what is vertical matrix, which is just the reciprocal of horizontal matrix, in which a m cross n order matrix, here m is always greater than n. Let's say I take a matrix minus 5, minus 1, 8, minus 9, 4, 0. Here number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 2. So order is 3 cross 2. And here number of rows is greater than number of columns. So it is vertical matrix. Now last type is, student, what are triangular matrix? So there are two types of triangular matrix. First is upper triangular matrix and second is lower triangular matrix. So what is upper triangular matrix? Upper triangular matrix is also a square matrix in which Aij is equal to 0, where I is always greater than j. For example, student, let's say I take a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So here A11 means I is equal to j, and in A12 means I is less than j. So in A21, A31 and A32 elements, here I is always greater than j. So it is 0. Therefore our example for upper square matrix is 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5 and 0, 0, 6. Now next is lower triangular matrix. So it is also a square matrix in which Aij is equal to 0, where I is less than j. Means as per our example A11, A12, A13. Here in A12, in A13 and in A23, I is always less than j. That means it is equal to 0. Our example is 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6.